Do you have a car that's mostly sitting idle? It's a question that might seem odd at first, but have you ever considered the ways you could be making money off of it? Perhaps you've heard about the concept of monetizing your car, but you're unsure of what it really means. It's a simple idea, really. You rent out your rarely used car to those who need it for short periods. Sounds interesting, right? Well, this idea is not as far-fetched as it may seem. It's actually a quite common practice in the modern-day sharing economy. Imagine it. Your car, which spends most of its time just sitting in your garage, could be used by someone else in need and you get paid for it. It's a win-win for it. It's a win-win situation. Did you know that your car could serve more than just your transportation needs? While it takes you places, it can also be an additional source of income. Instead of letting your vehicle gather dust, why not let it earn you some extra cash? This isn't just a theory, it's a reality for many car owners who have discovered that their idle car is a gold mine waiting to be tapped. So instead of looking at your car as a depreciating asset, consider it as a potential profit-making machine. With the right mindset and planning, you can start your journey towards financial freedom. Your car, parked in your garage, could be a gold mine waiting to be tapped. It's not just a vehicle, but a potential profit-making asset. So think about it. Your car could be earning. The process begins with a simple idea. Your car, when not in use by you, can be rented out to someone who needs it. This ingenious concept is made possible by the advancements in modern technology and the rise of the sharing economy. The digital era has designed numerous platforms that cater to this specific need, allowing car owners to maximize the utility of their assets. These platforms, essentially serving as a digital marketplace, offer an easy, convenient, and safe avenue for you to rent out your car when it's idle. The first task in this process is to identify a platform that suits your needs. The options available are diverse, from local services that offer proximity advantages to internationally recognized platforms such as Turo or Getaround. Choosing, however, is not a decision to be made lightly. It's crucial to consider several user reviews can provide a first-hand account of the platform's reliability and efficiency. The platform's policies should also be closely scrutinized to ensure they offer sufficient protection for both parties involved in the transaction. And, of course, it's necessary to evaluate if the platform aligns with your expectations, comfort level, and requirements. The selection process may indeed involve some research, but the effort you put in now will pay off in the future by ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. With a carefully chosen platform, you can begin to reap the benefits of this innovative business model. It's as simple as Step 2. Get ready to list your car. To do this, you'll have to gather comprehensive and accurate details about your vehicle. This primarily includes rudimentary information like the brand and model of your car, which can help potential renters identify your car amidst a sea of options. Additionally, the manufacturing year of your vehicle also plays a pivotal role, as some folks may prefer newer models over vintage ones. The condition of your vehicle, both interior, is of utmost importance too. Then comes an essential part of the process, setting your rental rate. Most rental platforms provide tools and calculators to help you determine a price that's competitive yet fair. These tools often take into account a multitude of factors. They consider your car's unique features like a sunroof, leather seats, and its geographical location, for instance, city center or suburbs, which can significantly demand and thus your pricing. Step 3 revolves around your car's availability. This is where you have the main say. You are at liberty to tailor your car's availability as per your preference. You could keep it available for specific days like weekends or particular hours during the day, or you could choose to have it accessible consistently for daily rentals. The choice is completely yours. Step 4. Manage your bookings. Once your vehicle is advertised, reservation requests may start to pour in. As a host, your task is to coordinate with the renters for car exchanges. This coordination often involves deciding on a suitable time and location for both parties. Some car sharing platforms provide additional services like vehicle delivery and pickup. However, these extra amenities usually entail supplementary charges. It is pivotal to efficiently manage these exchanges, ensure a smooth process for both you and the renters. Building a rapport with your renters can lead to increased bookings in the future. Remember, transparency and clear communication are the cornerstone to prevent potential misunderstandings or animosity. You renting out your vehicle but also providing a customer service experience, and your behavior significantly influences your success. Earnings. Most car-sharing platforms organize payments on behalf of hosts, subtracting their commission before depositing the remainder into your bank account. This way, you can concentrate on delivering superior service without the hassle of handling the financial aspects. Remember, it's crucial to maintain your car and keep it pristine for an optimal rental experience. The importance of cleanliness cannot be overstated, as a tidy and well-maintained vehicle is immediately more appealing to potential renters. The aesthetic appeal is just as important as the mechanical condition when it comes to car rentals. Regular cleaning, both inside and out, can significantly enhance the car's overall appeal. In addition to cleanliness, regular mechanical inspections are key for ensuring a smooth rental process. Administering routine checks on crucial components such as the engine, brakes, tires, and electronic systems can help identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems. This proactive approach ensures your car remains in top condition and ready for rental at any moment. But beyond the physical state of the car, it's equally vital to thoroughly assess your insurance coverage. A detailed study of your insurance, any potential gaps or limitations in the protection offered by rental platforms. This includes understanding the extent of coverage for things like collision damage, theft, and liability. By knowing these details, you can tailor your policy to effectively cover any rental-related risks. It's important not only to understand your existing insurance coverage, but also to consult your insurance provider to ensure their coverage is comprehensive and compatible with the car rental platforms. This can help you avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line and provide you with peace of mind during the rental process. It's always a good idea to check with your insurance. So why let that car sit idle in the garage when it could be making you money? This question ignites a revolutionary thought, a new perspective on how we view our underutilized assets. Rather than seeing your vehicle merely as a mode of transportation, envision it as a potential goldmine. What if I told you that your parked car could be transformed into a passive income source? Now hold that thought. Ever considered the idea of renting it out? Sure, it may sound daunting at first, but with modern technology and the sharing economy, it's easier than you might think. The concept is straightforward, and the implementation requires minimal effort. The returns, however, are anything but minimal. Renting out your idle car could provide a steady stream of income, reducing your financial stress, paving the way towards greater economic freedom. It's an opportunity that is far too lucrative to ignore. Picture your car not just as a tool for mobility, but as a venture, a business, an investment that could provide substantial financial returns and open up new doors for you. This could be your stepping stone towards achieving the elusive dream of financial independence. The reality is that time is of the essence, and so is your car's potential. Remember, time waits for no one, and neither should your car.